Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this video we're gonna show you how to set up a libgdx project, and one of the recommended books to start with libgdx. Anyways, you should install the gdx setup latest.jar file. Press on it, just properties and permissions. You should allow the executing file as a program. Allow executing file as a program is run it as a program. Then go to open with. If you have OpenGTK, it will show this other option, any kind of Java version, mine is 8, and we press it, and the name can be anything to this, whatever the name is. We're gonna name it platformer, and the package gonna be, you should make sure it doesn't have any capital names, by the way, capital words. I mean, like something like platformer. That's pretty wrong. You should just make it with a non-capital word. The game class can be whatever the name is, but it's recommended to say platformer game. It's gonna be the main class, kinda, but it's for the game. And the destination can be whatever it is. I don't know, documents, and you can create a new folder, whatever the folder is. Platformer. Open it, and then we're not going to talk about the other one, by the way. So any kind of extensions, it will work, whatever. And then go to generate. But if you want to use Kotlin too, you can do it here. Anyways, just go and generate it. Takes some time. Depends on your laptop, PC. And here we go. And it doesn't matter. Now then we go to the Eclipse or any kind of IDEs. Import existing Gradle project. Go to next, browse, platform. Open, finish, boom. By the way, it needs an internet connection if it was your first time building the Gradle project. So yeah, forgot to say that. Platformer core, platformer desktop. It will do that, but these are nested, by the way, nested to the platform. So if you try to delete this one, it's going to talk about the two nested projects, which are these. Anyways, go to the platform and you basically set it up. Now you only need to run it. So how to run it is easy. Go to the desktop launcher and run configurations. You can go with Java application, but this one is recommended. Then press this. Then whatever the name you can give it, like platformer. That's it. These are automatically gonna be there. And go with other, so the workplace, aka the resources you're gonna get from photos, like PNG files, JPEG files, and MP3 files, aka audio. You're gonna go to the core, not to the desktop. It's not recommended here, but go to the core and go to the assets. Okay, and then run it. And then boom, you set it up, a libgdx project, and you run it well. Now what you need to do is go to the downloads. And sorry, it's for myself. Anyways, we're gonna talk about the books. One of the books I really recommend is the Java Game Development with libgdx Second Edition. About the author is Lee Timkowski. He's a professor of computer science and mathematics. He earned his PhD, mashallah, in mathematics from Dartmouth College in 2006, which is nice. You're gonna know this is a trusted one, at least in programming, especially in the mathematics part. It talks about the fundamental concepts, getting started with it, and choosing a development environment, aka an IDE. And yeah, he used BlueG, by the way, but you can use Eclipse or any other IDE. It really depends on you. And yeah, he even talks about the Java basics in the, if I'm not wrong, in the Java fundamentals. If you are new to Java, by the way, and he talks about how to make a framework in libgdx, your own custom framework, then your own custom physics framework, which is pretty nice. And yeah, that's it. It's a good starting book where to learn libgdx, but it's not gonna have the box 2D thing, by the way. The first edition had the box 2D one, but he wanted to remove it because it wasn't necessary. So it depends on you. If you want to learn the box 2D, to go to the first edition. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.